Hello and welcome. We've come to a building that may seem like, a normal building to you, but the fact is it's a very special building. If you read what's written behind me, it says Noida Entrepreneurs Association. It's a very, very special occasion because we have industrialists all across from Noida and neighboring parts of the area talking about whether demonetization has actually affected the industries of Uttar Pradesh. Now remember, Uttar Pradesh is no ordinary state. We all know it's the most populous state in the country, and therefore whatever happens in Uttar Pradesh is a representation of what is happening in India. And right now, it is a very key time because the elections are just around the corner. In 1.5 months or even lesser, depending on the election commission, we could have the dates of the elections being announced. And the bottom line is whether the people of Uttar Pradesh or neighboring Delhi, like this is, will be in favor of what Prime Minister Modi has tried to do with his demonetization move, his crackdown on black money, or will they be against? And the answer will probably be known when the elections actually come, when the voting happens. And that's why we have a lot of people out here with us. On my right side, I would like to say in the blue corner, I don't know why, are the people who are for demonetization despite whatever has happened. And on the left are those who are against demonetization, keeping in mind the fact that they have suffered, their factories have suffered, their industries have suffered, laborers have suffered. So let's just get this discussion started and get a sense of what the people really think. Well, I want to start with somebody who is actually against the issue. What is the problem? What is it that you're suffering, and what are the issues that you all are facing as representatives of the industry in Noida?
See, to start with, the most important is the labor. We are facing a lot of labor crunch because A, we are not being able to pay them on time. B, we have not been able to arrange labor. Now these, mind you, are all contractual labors that we are talking about.
Okay.
Who work on daily basis or who work on weekly basis, who come to us when there is a certain load of work. See, I run a printing company and we work 24/7. Now working 24/7 means that we have to actually be on our toes all the times,
Sure.
to deliver our products.
Sure, understood.
Now, demonetization, the most important factor is labor. Now, labor basically constitutes to a most important part of our output, and because of absence of labor, we've not been able to meet timelines. Not been able to. Productivity, delivery lead times have gone up.
Okay,
Customers are unhappy.
Talk percentages. How many of your workers are not coming?
Close to 30-35%.
Is that 30-35% for everyone?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, but not this side. But you're also representatives of the Noida industry. So can somebody explain why there's a discrepancy out here?
See, I'll tell you, this is not the discrepancy. This is a problem of a immediate problem. Let us look at the long-term perspective.
No, but first. Do you also have a problem of 30-35% laborers not coming there?
That's true.
But you're okay with that?
Yeah, this is okay because we understand it's a long-term problem. I mean, it has a long-term solution.
Okay, but do you also understand that it's a long-term problem and in the long term it'll change? Sir, one second, if I could.
No, I don't think it will change so quickly because the repercussions are on manifold. Apart from labor, there are other issues, which is supply line chain, the raw materials, the banking industry, the infrastructure, which is there. Now, all those things are not going to be affected totally. So, therefore, I don't see the issues being resolved so quickly.
Okay, why do you think that the issues will be resolved that quickly, sir? Why do you think?
See, everything, whatever it is, if you do any change, there's the effect of that.
No, but how can you, his question.
I'm telling you,
Yes.
say by end of this month, when the position will improve, cash supply position will improve. Basically, cash supply was better. It's because of hanky-panky by few bankers, the position has tightened.
Okay.
They are going to be under control now. They're going to be checked. And if they check, there will be liquidity, easy liquidity. If the liquidity is easy, most of the problem will be sorted out. Now, with the availability of funds, banker will be able to finance at a lower rate, and easy finance will be available to actual industrialists.
Okay.
That will give a boost to economy in longer run. Maybe it may be down. I agree. For 2-3 months it may be down, but after 2-3 months we're going to have a fantastic economy. That's what I believe.
Economy. Do you think there'll be a fantastic economy in 2-3 months? 2-3 months? Huh? No. You think there will be a fantastic economy? Okay.
I will give you an example. I have having a loan, home loan, and last month the home loan rate is 9.4. But now you go to the bank, it is 9.1 right now. So 0.3% rate please.
Okay,
is
but that's
down.
your home loan, sir. We are talking about industries. In industries, are you being able to pay your loans because of the problem? Sorry, 1 second. Yes.
You know, this is where I was trying to get at.
Okay.
Now, when you have loss of business, you have loss of productivity, loss of bottom line, you are really not able to pay back your your loans, your bankers. Now, labor is the one who's actually playing a very major role.
Okay.
And effectively, I mean, your productivity is lost, your business is lost, your bottom line is lost. How do you expect me to pay my bankers on time?
Okay, but are you having problem paying your loans?
Yes, certainly.
How much is your problem personally?
You mean my liability?
Yes.
Liability is close to 7 crores.
And you're not being able to pay your installments now.
Not being able to pay my installments on time, which brings me down to my NPA categories. Eventually.
Hold on. Sorry. Hold on.
Government has already given 2 months moratorium for the repayment. Now again, yesterday only they have increased 1 more month. So now 3 months. See, your account will not be converted.
Hold on. Yes.
That's what they are talking of, that they can
That is
take
below 1
90
CR.
we are talking of those industries, small industries,
Okay.
where the problem was on a day-to-day basis. Now, how are you going to make the payments? They have given you 90 days so that the classification is not made NPA, but that does not give you rebate.
Okay. Anyone who wants to talk, please either shout out or put your hands up. I will come to you, sir. पहले मैं लेबरर से बात करना चाहता हूँ. ये यहाँ पे सब कितने लेबरर हैं? जरा हाथ खड़ा कर दें. अरे क्या बात है, काफी लोग हैं. ओके. और इस तरफ कोई लेबरर हैं? आप अच्छा हैं, थोड़े से हैं. ठीक है. आप बताइए, आपको क्या दिक्कत हो रही है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? आप सुन रहे थे क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? जरा इनकी भी बात, सर जरा इनकी भी बात जरा सुन लीजिए. हाँ जी.
जी बिल्कुल, मैं सुन रहा था सारी बातें. ये जो उद्योगपति जितने कह रहे हैं हम लेबर के लिए ये कर रहे हैं वो कर रहे हैं, सारी झूठी बातें हैं. ठीक है,
कह रहे हैं आप सारी झूठी बातें कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल. कभी इन्होंने लेबर के अंदर झांक के नहीं देखा, जो क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या परेशानी है, कभी नहीं देखा झांक करके. क्योंकि हम लेबर हैं, हम जाएंगे कहाँ? कंपनी में हम काम करते हैं. अगर गेट पास लेकर के गए, लेट आए तो बाहर कर देंगे. ये लेबर की एक भी नहीं सुनेंगे. ये सुबह बैंक जाएंगे और आज तक मुझे कोई बता दीजिए आप, कोई ऑफिसर लाइन में खड़ा हुआ है या कोई उद्योगपति लाइन में खड़ा हुआ है? कोई नहीं है. और हम लोगों ने अगर कहीं खिलाफ बोला भी तो पुलिस डंडे मार मार के सुझा देती है हम लोगों को.
देखिए, इस चीज का आपको जवाब देना है या नहीं? हाँ, मैं आपको प्रश्न, मैं इनका प्रश्न सुन लीजिए. ये कह रहे हैं कि आपने कभी लेबर के सिवाय किसी को लाइन में देखा? हैव यू सीन एनीवन besides a laborer in a line? They are saying they haven't. They are saying they haven't. Yeah, go.
एक छोटी सी न्यूज आई थी बीच में कि
Yeah, whatever. हाँ.
राहुल गांधी भी लाइन में लगे थे. ठीक है, तो ये तो एक लेबर है.
राहुल गांधी जो लाइन में लगे थे वो देखने गए थे क्या हो रहा है बैंक में, वो अलग बात थी. हाँ, और वो लाइन में जानबूझ के लगे थे, वो शायद बात सही है. हाँ, सॉरी.
We faced that problem. We definitely we were in the line in the bank and we were also in the line and we
लार्जर इशू है सर. लार्जर, एक सेकंड पॉइंट पे आइए. लार्जर इशू उनका ये है कि laborers are not getting the respect they deserve. When there is a problem that a factory faces, they are the first ones to be sidelined. Yes or no?
Is this the only
See,
time?
no.
Hold on, just tell me.
The answer is just yes or no. Not I am not satisfied with the yes or no.
Okay.
I am telling you the detail.
Okay.
I have 150 labor in my factory. I gave the gate passes to withdraw the amount from their accounts.
Okay.
And with pay, not without pay. Everybody is saying here that my employer is cutting my payment from that gate pass timings, but I did not do like that.
Okay.
I gave him gate pass to withdraw lot of money, and there is no
But
problem.
You
There
may
is
be an
no
anomaly.
problem.
You may be an anomaly. आप मुझे बताइए, आप लेबरर हैं यहाँ पे, आपको टाइम मिलता है जाने के लिए? एक सेकंड, दूसरी लोग हैं?
नहीं मिलता सर.
तो आपको जब पैसा निकालना होता है, जब चेक मिलता है, क्या
हम नाइट में निकालते हैं.
नाइट में?
हाँ जी सर.
बैंक खुले होते हैं नाइट में?
जी सर, 2 बजे 3 बजे तक निकाल के आते हैं सर.
एटीएम की बात कर रहे हैं आप?
हाँ जी, एटीएम में 3 बजे तक पैसा.
अच्छा, सबके पास अकाउंट है? अकाउंट है आपके पास? आपके पास है? अकाउंट नहीं है. आप कहाँ से हैं सब लोग?
सर बिहार से.
बिहार? खुल के बोलिए. राजस्थान, बिहार, यूपी से है कोई यहाँ पे? अच्छा, एक सेकंड. एक second. Yeah.
Why these labor are standing here? If they had been
They're
working,
standing here because they don't have work.
they are all free. They are just giving the wrong comments. You just ask and go to the factories and just
We
ask
have been to
labor-
the factories. I have personally been to a number of factories. I can tell you that the situation in factories across Punjab and Uttar Pradesh are similar. I can tell you that when I walked, not just in UP with my camera and my mic, not just in Punjab, every person who was standing in the line at 9 o'clock in the morning was a laborer from either Bihar or UP. Why?
You said
This is not a right
payment is
comment,
being
especially from
deducted.
anchor. Yeah, this is not a
I
right
don't
comment
think
from
in Noida.
Because I have seen it myself. I have done a story on it. I can show it to you.
But everyone has stood in the line actually, except
sorry.
see,
I want to
even-
get a comment
yeah.
from him.
So I know we're presenting two sides here, but I think it's a little bit more complicated than just presenting two sides, because we have to be, see, there are a lot of us who are also on the fence about this, but we support it. We support it with all our heart in the long term. But there are problems that all of us will face. Whether you guys want to support this and we want to support it or not, we all, as a people of this country, have to support this move no matter what happens. Now, if there is labor who's you know, there are deductions in their money because they have to go to the bank, that is the responsibility of the employers. And because of that, the government, so we are supporting this move, right? We are supporting this with all our
You have
heart.
suffered.
We have suffered, but we expect the government to show us support as well. You know, there are problems that we are facing on a short-term level, and because of those problems, there is going to be mass unemployment. And during that mass unemployment, there are a lot of employers who are going to say that we cannot increase our expenses,
okay.
and we'd rather shut down, and that is going to cause a lot of unemployment.